All right, good morning, traders. It's Tuesday, January the 9th, the day after a monster move up. So if you happen to be in this trade and you crushed it yesterday, today is a beautiful day to take off. If you did some things that you wish you hadn't have done yesterday, today is probably a good day to take off. Any day that there's a high emotionally, any day there's a really low emotionally, it's a good time to just take a break from the chart and refresh, okay? So, yesterday was a rare day indeed. We had about 18 ladder ups as I defined them on our 3-minute chart. It was an easy trend day if you could have gotten an early entry. For me, after about the 7th ladder up, I'm just done. I'll come back in the afternoon and I'll look to see, in all honesty, if there's some high time frame spots that I might be able to pick up a couple points here or there as a counter reaction short, or I'm looking for a shift in market structure, which did not occur one time yesterday. And in fact, we're going to look at the 30-minute chart next, because literally we were one time framing up all day long. What does that mean? Let's look at this. So these are the 30-minute levels. So if you'll look at the 30-minute, this is the low of the 30-minute candle. No candle ever took out this low. No candle ever took out that low. No candle ever took out that low. No candle took out that low. No candle took out that low. Nor that one, nor that one, nor that one, nor that one, nor that one. This is the definition of one time framing up all day long. Now let's come over here and let's look at all the other indices for a second. I'm going to squish this thing up. Because one of the things that we talked about yesterday when we were watching all the action, 2 of the indices were on board with the up move, and 2 indices were not. So let's look at these real quick. So yesterday morning, these 2 guys, NQ and ES, were laddering up and going up, but these guys were not. They just weren't. And then eventually, righty started getting with the program, coming to halfback, getting over halfback. And I said, whenever Dow reverses, if Dow decides to get up, stay out of the way. They're all on the same train, moving the same direction. Respect the momentum of the move. Once all 4 are on the same train, you better be careful. Okay, so this 30-minute chart yesterday, one time framing up all day long, is a rare event as well. So just additional evidence. What if you don't like the price action of a particular day? What if you love it? What if you don't like it? What if you hate it? Trade accordingly. If I don't like the price action, I'm out. If I love the price action, I'll trade. If you don't like what's happening, get out. If your entries are not working for you, something's off. Stop trading. We had 4 sets of single prints yesterday. I'm going to bring those up next just so you can see them. Don't worry about the overnight action here hitting the single prints. Notice it did have a nice reaction, but it doesn't count. It only counts in RTH. But those are the 4 sets of single prints. These are delightful targets. Have those on your chart. So let's look at the strong levels for a second. Let's go to a 3-minute chart here. All right, so this bottom one here is about 39. This one's about 46. This one's about 70, 50. And this one is nothing but the halfback. Okay, so we had a large move up yesterday. When we have a large move up, my first level that I'm going to pay attention to is really going to be the halfback. Okay, so that's one of the strong levels today. You can see how this level and this level is all playing pretty well with strong. I don't call them bounce levels necessarily. I call them strong levels. I do expect reactions to there. I still expect them to be playing part of the role. These levels have been on the chart for a while now. So yeah, those are some levels there. And if we decide to go up this level here, somewhere between 17 and 19, what is that? 1825. 1825 is the next level there. So what happened yesterday? Big move up. Duh. What typically happens after that? Usually complex chop, and or who would be shocked if ES chose to retest the entire day. And this is why I have the bull bear line right now way down here. As long as we're above that, I think the bulls are in control. That doesn't mean you can't short this. You can, but in general, on a larger time frame, on like a 4-hour chart, I believe this is the appropriate bull bear line. Halfback is where I'm eyeing. Notice as well, let me turn this on, that you have the London overnight high, the Asia overnight high, the real overnight high, and the RTH high. These things are stacking on top of each other there. We're obviously stepping down. You can see the RTH up here, Asia here, London here. We're stepping down. And then I want you to denote the RTH low there, which happens to be a level there that we've had. I actually need to move this up just a little bit. I need to move that up to here, this bull bear. So I'm going to adjust this bull bear. This should be setting right up here, and the bull bear line is going to be actually, yeah, 39. So I'm going to make that adjustment there, guys. So I'll do that before I publish the indicator. I didn't realize I actually had it down in the wrong spot. So it's going to be at 39, the bull bear line. So I need to make that adjustment. Okay, so this is a short one today. Big move, usually next day's complex chop, or it retests all the levels that it left behind. Okay, I'll see you guys on Zoom.
Stay green, my friends, and to learn more about our group, go to microstrader.com.